I'm actually high right now. Well, not really high, but I'm on top of my roof doing some work. And here's the thing. This may not seem like a big deal from a management, from an IT standpoint, but what we're dealing with is we're dealing with making some repairs to a house that was built in the 70s using some pieces parts that were built in the 2020s. And the only point I'm making here is just that you have to be prepared. I had to come out on the roof first, take a look at what the materials are and what the pieces and parts are that are up here on the roof, and then figure out how the 21st century stuff will actually connect to it. And you know something? We don't know until we get up here. But then we figure it out. We take a look and we determine square pegs and round holes, sometimes they do fit together. But we have to accept the fact that there may be a little bit of tweaking to it. And there may be a little bit of a leak in the beginning, and it may not be as perfect as a completely 1970s approach or a completely 21st century approach. The same thing is true with your technology. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices in order to get the old stuff to work with the new stuff and vice versa. How do you get old and new stuff to work together? Comments below.